Hey there, Harrisonburg, Virginia. Has your HVAC started acting a bit wonky? You know, electric control failures could be the sneaky culprits. They can cause your system to behave erratically, lose efficiency, or even completely shut down. From tired compressors to fan control hiccups, your comfort system's heart needs expert love and care. Don't let electric mishaps leave you shivering in the cold or sweltering in the heat. Why not pick up the phone and dial 844-212-0011 right now to get that HVAC system of yours fixed and secure your comfort all year round? But remember, there's no need to sweat it out or bundle up because of a temperamental HVAC. Our team of certified professionals is ready and waiting to restore your system's efficiency and reliability. And remember, ignoring electric control failures can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the line. So what are you waiting for? Dial 844-212-0011 for expert repairs today.